Going on, YouTube? Fellas boy, we're back at it again. Got the motor out. Working it down now. Taking everything out for it. Getting ready to clean it up. Pressure wash it. And I got some, this is what I got. I got me some towels. I got me a little cheap BB gun. I don't know why, but I got it just in case I need it. Face mask for safety. Got some header paint for my headers. Engine primer. Oven cleaner. Best stuff to clean the engine with. But when you do it, make sure you wear a face mask. And also, once you spray it off, make sure you use some kind of soap, something like that, to rinse the engine with. That's what color I'm painting it, engine orange. I'm gonna prime it down first. And got me 2 cans of primer. Got an engine oven cleaner. Some of just accessories. I just picked up some safety glasses. And I got me a lot of different size E-clamps because my wheel keep coming off my jack. And so this is all the stuff I purchased yesterday. So yeah, back at it again. Getting ready to take this carburetor off, changing the intake, putting the Elevate intake on it, Elevate carburetor. That's what I like, so that's what I'm putting on there. Pull the water pump off, all the pulleys, and I'll be back at it. I got electric pressure washer right there, and man, this thing do wonders. It's really good. Trust me. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna use to pressure wash this engine so I can get it all cleaned up and get ready to install it in my car by the weekend if it don't rain. But it's supposed to have a lot of rain coming our way. But yeah, I'm back at it again. I got 2 more bolts on here that I need to take off. Once I get these bolts off, I need to well, actually I got 2 more bolts on here, and I got to disconnect that and I can pull it off. Yeah. Get it all covered up. I know this video kind of boring, but I just wanted to update y'all and let y'all see where I was. I figured I want y'all to keep up with me. I know right now it might sound a little funny, man. I'm trying to concentrate on everything I'm doing. Get it done. All by my lonesome. And I enjoy it that way. Don't need no help. Nobody messing with me. I ain't messing with them. Just doing what I love. Okay, I think I got this off right here. Yeah, I do. So now all I gotta do is disconnect this here, these springs. So disconnect disconnect those springs, I can go ahead and take this little bracket off. I think it's what did I do with it? Okay. It's a 13 millimeter. So yeah. Get this bracket off right quick. Changing this distributor out. I ordered a new distributor for it because I'm not going back with this carburetor, so I don't need no modular distributor on here, which this is what it is. The distributor I ordered is a HEI, and it's got one built into it, so do away with this shit. Excuse my language, but I'm doing away with that. Got a couple homeboys supposed to come get this shit up out my yard. Yeah. This one bolt out, and I got one more right there. Take this one out, and then it should be ready to come on off. It's not a 13, I think. It may be 14 or something like that. I don't know yet, but that's what I think. Hold up. One second, this find out. Yeah. What is this? It's a 14. Yeah, it's a 14. It's on the slant. I don't know if I'll be able to get it. With this cap on there, but let's try it. Okay, I need both of my hands. So what I do is I cut you back on. If you like the video, subscribe, hit the like button, comment, turn your notification on so you can always keep up with my videos if you like it. Peace out.